Ben Dunk with the chrome dome is back out in the middle, and not before time. The bubble gum. Oh, that's not going to be out. That's out of the park. That's out of here. The six machine is off again.
Hurrah! And there goes that bubble gum. Guy's going to burst it. 270 maximums in this fifth season so far. Oh, it sounded gorgeous. Love you, Funky. You know it. Umar Khan has been pumped out of the ground.
Easy as you like. How well does Ben Dunk play these strokes? Pounces on the back foot and plunders this ball over deep mid wicket. Where he gets in the crease there, well outside off.
Can't forget how he hit Mohammad Nawaz, the left arm spinner, for 4 sixes. Umar Khan just bowling slightly wider, slightly slower. But they do have the firepower. They're ahead in a way, just 2 wickets lost.
Has he got enough of this? He has. This one's bigger.
Staying deep in the crease. HBL 272 tournament sixes, and that was one of the bigger ones. Just the noise that Dunk now has produced. Second six off the over, and both off the back foot.
Just too short. Ball's just sitting up. They've had a meeting of the minds out in the middle. Skipper, Chadwick Walton, bowler all together. How do you get out of this? That man is in some stellar form. Just feel that if he's out there at the end, the Qalandars are going to post their third win. Still rooted at the bottom of the table. Plenty of games in hand.
There we go again. Third six of the over. Benny with the Jets.
A 100 is up as well. 50 partnership. Look at the way Ben Dunk is boxing the bowler. He's shuffling around. Which way is he going? Good luck. One recommendation. Don't bowl there. Don't bowl down leg side to Ben Dunk.
Well, he hit Mohammad Nawaz for 4 consecutive sixes.
Rare miss. Now this is a glorious strike.
Delport decided pace on. And Dunk said, well, I'll have some of this. Work with the pace and just deposit this over extra cover for a glorious six.
Now,
375 gold medals in Pakistan. There are just boundaries everywhere, and it's just happiness. Kiran, one of the best swimmers Pakistan has. You bring us so much joy and pride. What is your ultimate goal now?
My ultimate goal is to perform for Pakistan and such given ground. I think looking at the crowd in Pakistan, I want the swimming competition to be in Pakistan, so this crowd can see that how many glories we have won for Pakistan, and it's such a huge honor. And thank you to HBL PSL for bringing me.
Ahmad Waseem.
holy smoke! That city for the Volga. He's got 50 to boot as well.
Simply keep going. 276 six in this tournament. And the Lahore Qalandars, the crowd,
come alive. What a start of the over. He's dealing in sixes. Another wonderful stroke, 90 meters. Game on.
Second fastest half-century ever for a Lahore player. And get down! Oh, brilliant! 4 more. Thought for a split second it was going all the way again. Geez, that bubble gum's getting a workout.
Karachi Kings bowlers, they are clueless at the moment. They have got no idea where to bowl to this man. Lucky that it's not gone all the way, but he'll take 4.
Oh! Unstoppable! Dunk! The destroyer!
Well, he didn't time this one. I thought he got it wrong. Didn't hit middle of the bat. But the way he's swinging his bat, even half the bat will do. He just sliced that one. Wasn't too far away from Babar Azam. Ball sailing away.
Hashtag love this game. Full house in, and it's the big clash. Karachi versus Lahore. He's taking on the guy on the move. It's full tonight, and so's Benny D. 100 partnership, courtesy of the Queenslander.
What an innings. We saw an inning from him earlier in this tournament, and this is special. 22 off the over so far. We've still got 2 more deliveries to go. He's not holding back. He wants to finish it quickly. In it with comfort. If this man stays there another 15 minutes, job will be done.
And boom! He's got another. There's 10 for all you cricket lovers. 31 now, just of 22.
Well, he doesn't believe in boundaries. He doesn't believe in fools. He's definitely a good golfer, I tell you. That swing comes from golf. Good follow through. The ball was pitched a little short. Wow. Can't believe what I'm seeing that. 10 sixes, and he's not done yet.
Can't blame the bowler. Chris Jordan, he tried that little change of pace, little off cut.
Previous time when he batted here, he hit 10 sixes. He's already got that. Time to break that.
Oh, smoking! And there is 3,000 runs in T20 for Funky Donkey. Well played, Ben. It's 163 for 2 here. .188 is needed here from the home side. Muhammad Amir looking for the Sancho. Radar slightly off, but I tell you whose isn't. Big Ben Dunk. He's racing through the 80s here.
Nothing is working for Karachi Kings. Searching for that Yorker, hoping that it will go through. Just missed by a little bit of distance. And nicely tucked away. 19 needed of 15. 8 wickets in hand. Shouldn't be an issue.
With 1 to go. Dunk. He's 14 away from three figures, and they need 16. Oh, could he? Men inside the circle on the offside. Put a hostess on that one as well. Battered. There's his 11. 15 off it. It's 178 for 2 here. Years ago, stood over the line, prevented someone getting 100 and a run down. I'm trying to think where it was. Disgraceful.
So Delport is bowling the last over of the game, and Lahore Qalandars need 4 runs. And that's purely because Amir Yamin got injured. He had to leave the field in his very second over, and then of course Mohammad Amir is bowled his quota, is done with his 4 overs. It'll be hard to think that he will be able to stop those 4 runs. Yes! Is it done? Is it over? Is it finished? Yes! What an inning! 281 sixes. No better than this one. What a sweet feeling. Wonderful job done by Ben Dunk. Well done, Lahore.
A Queenslander who also is now the top scorer. Incredibly, no Lahore batsman has scored a century in the HBL.